My name is Dinosaur Odell, and welcome to the really awesome, super perfect, fun and rockin', crazy great songwriting workshop, Lesson 2. Our big topic for the day is rhyme. Let's get started with the quiz, parting phrases. These are expressions that you might use when you're saying goodbye to someone. The most famous is our first one. See you later, alligator. See you in a while, crocodile. See you soon, big baboon. That one was difficult. I think it's funny though, and one of the things that helps make it funny is not only that it rhymes, but that it's got alliteration. Our last one is probably the trickiest of them all. Hasta mañana, green iguana. Well, what is the difference between rhyme and alliteration? In our last lesson, we learned that alliteration is when the first sound is the same, like in Shake Shack. Sh is the alliterative sound. Now, what about rhyme? What is the definition of rhyme? Yeah, I think you're right. Rhyme is when the last sound is the same, like shake and bake. Just like with alliteration, companies use rhyme all the time to sell their products. How do they sell their products using rhyme? Well, if a product rhymes, you're more likely to remember it. So let's say I want to go to a convenience store. The first one that pops into my head is 7-Eleven. And for breakfast tomorrow, I'm going to have Lego my Eggo. If you have a dog, you might want to order a pooper scooper. All right, it's time to write our own rhyming combinations. This stuff is easy. You guys have been doing rhymes since you were little kids. We're going to start by picking a word, and the word we choose is sky. And then we are going to write some words that rhyme with it. Bye-bye, pie, lie, fly, tie, why, my, oh my, I, and last but not least, shy. Then we're going to arrange those words until we like how they fit together. Now, let's say we arrange them into ideas. Down at the bottom of the screen, you'll see fly, tie, and shy. None of those are connected to another idea, so I'm going to move them out of the way because they are cluttering my page. Bye-bye sky is the first one I came up with, and it's a little bit unusual, but it works for me. It's all one idea. Why lie? That works too. My, oh my, I like pie. Yep, that works, except that there's two words in there that don't rhyme. Is that all right? Yeah, that's fine. You can have words that don't rhyme. As a matter of fact, if we go to bye-bye sky, I'm going to add another word in. Bye-bye blue sky. Not only do we have rhyme, we have alliteration. Here's a hint. Pick a word that is short. Blue is easy to rhyme with, right? But pineapple is difficult. Can you think of something that rhymes with pineapple? I'm having trouble. Slime-apple? Grime-tapple? Okay, it's your turn. The first thing that we're going to do is pick a word. Be sure to keep it short. Then we're going to rhyme with the word, and then we're going to arrange the words in different ways, into ideas. We're going to create 3 rhyming combinations. That's the assignment. Go for it. Go ahead and pause the video, and then once you're finished with your 3 mini poems or rhyming combos, turn it back on. All right. Our next lesson is rhyming couplets. Thanks for joining me for the really awesome, super perfect, fun and rockin', crazy great songwriting workshop, Lesson 2 on rhyme. Our homework to turn in, 3 two-word rhyming combinations. I am out the door. My name is Dinosaur. See you soon.